So I purchased this Magnasonic jewelry cleaner because I have so much jewelry and it constantly needs to be cleaned. As a mom of 3, I love wearing jewelry, but it's constantly just looking like this. So I really want an easy way to be able to clean my jewelry, and oh my gosh, this is it. Okay, so the first thing you have to do is just plug it in, and then honestly, it is so incredibly easy and quick to use this. I love it so much. It comes with these really awesome instructions. I mean, they're basically foolproof. They tell you exactly how to use it. And so right now, I'm gonna walk you through it. So the first thing is you just wanna make sure that you're only putting things in that are supposed to go in there. The next thing you wanna do is make sure that you fill the tank with water. Liquid has to be covering the object that you wanna be clean. So we're just gonna open this up. This basket comes out so you can wash this. All you have to do is simply fill it up with some water. I just think it's incredible that all you need is water to clean your jewelry with this. So you fill it up with water, you put the things in. All right, close it up. So we turn it on. Of course, a nice off button here, and the only other button is to set it to however long you want it to go for. Then when you're ready, once you've set it, all you do is hit on, and you can hear it cleaning. One other quick thing to note too is that if you ever wanted to stop it but the timer was still running, all you have to do is simply just push the off button and it will stop. All right, then when it's done, all we've got to do is just open it up and see how nice and clean our jewelry is. It's hard to see with the video, but it really is very sparkly. You can kind of see the sparkles right there. I just love how easy this thing is. I used to clean this, my rings manually, and this just takes away all that extra effort. Now I can just set it in, press on, and it makes my rings so beautiful and sparkly. Highly recommend this Magnasonic jewelry cleaner.